Imagine a world where the final frontier isn't a distant dream, but a bustling marketplace worth $400 billion. A space where companies like Rocket Lab are rewriting the rules of access and affordability. While many still view space as a luxury for governments and billionaires, Rocket Lab has cracked the code for small satellites, turning what was once a niche into a $3.5 billion juggernaut. With a 50% market share and a 98% success rate for its Electron rocket, this company isn't just surviving in the new space economy, it's setting the pace. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a company so focused on efficiency truly outpace the giants like SpaceX? Or is it just buying time with clever accounting? Let's explore how Rocket Lab is building its empire and where the cracks might show. The Rocket Lab Playbook, Speed and Smarts. Rocket Lab's secret sauce lies in two key ingredients: relentless launch frequency and razor-sharp cost control. In 2025 alone, the company achieved a staggering 10 Electron launches with a perfect success rate, including a record-breaking 48-hour turnaround between missions. This is like going from a monthly bus schedule to a daily subway service for space access. Competitors like SpaceX, despite their dominance in heavy-lift rockets, often leave small payload customers waiting months for a launch slot. Rocket Lab's ability to deploy satellites with the speed of a sprinter, launching as often as every 9 days, has made it the go-to partner for industries that can't afford delays. From defense contractors to climate scientists tracking Earth's fragile ecosystems. Cost efficiency. That's where Rocket Lab shines brightest. At $8.4 million per launch, the Electron undercuts even SpaceX's Falcon 9 for small payloads by nearly 40%. How? By printing rocket engines with 3D printers, crafting lightweight structures from carbon fiber composites, and using machine learning to streamline production. The result? A cost structure so lean it makes traditional providers blush. But here's the part most people miss. Rocket Lab isn't just slashing prices. It's locking in customers with a 100% success rate. In an industry where a single explosion can erase months of progress, reliability is its ultimate weapon. Market capture, owning half the gold rush. Rocket Lab didn't stumble into its 50% market share. It engineered it. In 2024, the company's revenue skyrocketed 78% to $436.2 million, fueled by a 60% surge in Electron launches and a $515 million contract with the U.S. Space Development Agency. This deal, part of a larger push to build low Earth orbit LEO constellations for defense and communications, proves Rocket Lab isn't just selling rockets, it's building infrastructure. And here's where the controversy kicks in. With SpaceX's Starlink and other mega constellations looming, is Rocket Lab's focus on smallsat launches a smart bet or a niche too narrow to survive the long term? But Rocket Lab isn't content with just launching satellites. It's now offering end-to-end solutions through its space systems division, including spacecraft like the Lightning and Explorer. By manufacturing satellites in-house, the company is grabbing higher margin profits and creating a full-service ecosystem. For investors, this is a game changer. While many rivals are becoming generic launch providers, Rocket Lab is building a moat by controlling every step of the satellite lifecycle, from design to deployment. Financial resilience, the cash cushion that lets them play the long game. With $365.93 million in cash as of Q1 2025, a 125% jump from 2023, Rocket Lab isn't just surviving, it's fortifying its position. This financial buffer is being funneled into 2 moonshots, reusing the Electron's first stage, expected to cut costs by 20 to 30%, and developing the Neutron rocket, a medium-lift vehicle for larger payloads. While the Neutron's 2025 debut has been delayed, its partial reusability and expanded payload capacity could position Rocket Lab as a one-stop shop for LEO infrastructure. But here's the question. Is investing in reusability now a smart move, or will it leave the company playing catch-up with SpaceX's Starship program? Risks and realities. Can a challenger stay on top? No empire is invincible. Rocket Lab faces stiff competition from SpaceX's smallsat rideshare program and upstarts like ABL Space Systems. Delays in the Neutron project could also slow growth. Yet the company's first-mover advantage and a $1.05 billion backlog of contracts offer a safety net. The real test? Whether it can maintain its 98% success rate as it scales. After all, even the most efficient machine can break down under pressure. So, is Rocket Lab's current dominance a temporary sprint or the start of a long-term marathon? The market will decide. Investment thesis: a high-stakes bet on the future. For investors eyeing the new space economy, Rocket Lab offers a compelling case. Its operational efficiency, market leadership, and financial strength create a durable edge. By scaling launch frequency while slashing costs and expanding into satellite manufacturing, it's positioning itself to benefit from the $1.5 trillion global space economy by 2030. But here's the final thought-provoking question. In a world where space is the next internet, is Rocket Lab the Amazon, the Google, or just a clever startup with a lucky streak? The answer may lie in how well it navigates the next decade's challenges. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments, because in the race to space, everyone's an expert, but few are right.